Tired of spending hours trying to make sense of your sales spreadsheets? Get the Sales Dashboard in Excel, designed to provide you with critical insights instantly. Easy access to key metrics. Quickly view monthly sales along with margin and profitability metrics. Detailed analysis. Identify top-performing products and underperformers to manage your inventory more intelligently. No hassle. Built with an intuitive, user-friendly interface, no advanced Excel skills required. This is the fastest and most effective way to turn raw data into an interactive dashboard that will help you plan better. The template includes the following modules: data entry and monthly goal setting. A solid analysis starts here. In this module, you can set clear monthly goals for optimal performance. Easily record various sales items and their transactional data month by month. This centralized data entry is essential, as all recorded information automatically feeds the main dashboard, ensuring your indicators are always up to date and ready for review. KPI tracking. Sales aren't just revenue, they're also costs, orders, and efficiency. In this section, you can record and consolidate other key indicators such as the total number of orders placed, total items sold, and total incurred costs. By entering this data monthly, the template automatically calculates your actual operational results, allowing you to compare actual performance against your set targets. Sales Dashboard. Once your data is entered, access an instant visualization of your key performance indicators. Review total sales, costs, net profit, orders, and items sold. Enjoy professional, visually appealing charts that clearly display sales trends, goal versus cost comparisons, and monthly performance history. Analyze your growth rate and make decisions based on clear, visual, and undeniable data. Our Excel Sales Dashboard gives you the insight of a financial expert without having to hire one. Forget confusing tables. Start making data-driven decisions today to boost your profits.
Template available at Solis Enterprises. Visit our websites excelprojectsaj.com and en.solisenterprisesstore.com.